In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the blend feature in CapCut PC. Whether you're creating cinematic effects, smooth transitions, or adding artistic overlays, blending is a powerful tool that can take your video editing to the next level. CapCut makes it easy and intuitive to combine clips and images for visually striking results, and in this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know, from importing your clips to fine-tuning the final effect. If you're new to CapCut, you can find a link in the description to download the software and get started. Let's dive in. First, we need to bring your media into CapCut. Start by importing your clips or images. Look for the import option, which allows you to load all the videos and photos you'll need for your project. This step is essential because it brings everything into your workspace so you're ready to edit. Once your files are imported, drag them onto the timeline. The timeline is your main workspace in CapCut, where all the editing magic happens. Now make sure to place the clip you want to blend on a track above your base clip. Think of the timeline like a sandwich. The top layer works as the blending layer, while the bottom layer serves as the foundation. Now that your clips are in place, it's time to access the blend feature. Start by clicking on the top clip, the one you want to blend. This ensures you're working on the correct layer. Once selected, look at the panel on the right-hand side of your screen and locate the Basic tab. Scroll down within the Basic tab until you find the Blend option. If you don't see it right away, double-check that you've selected the correct track. Sometimes it's easy to accidentally click the wrong layer, but don't worry, you can always reselect and try again. With the Blend option visible, click to expand the list of available blend modes. Here's where the fun begins. Experiment with different modes like darken, multiply, screen, and overlay. Each mode changes how the top clip interacts with the base layer, creating unique visual effects. For example, the multiply mode can create a dramatic, shadowed look, while the screen mode might give you a light and airy effect. Don't be afraid to try out multiple options to see which one best suits your project. This part might take some trial and error, but it's all about finding the right look for your video. Once you've chosen a blend mode, you can fine-tune the transparency of the top layer by adjusting the opacity. Look for the opacity slider in the same panel and move it left or right to increase or decrease transparency. Lowering the opacity lets more of the base clip show through, creating a subtler blend. Take your time to preview these adjustments in the preview window. Small changes can make a big difference, so tweak the opacity until you achieve the desired effect. If you're looking to take your blending to the next level, CapCut offers advanced tools to refine your edits. One powerful feature is the mask tool, which allows you to control exactly where the blend occurs. Start by selecting a mask shape such as horizontal. Once the mask is applied, adjust its position, angle, and size directly in the preview window to customize the blend. This gives you precision over how the two clips interact. To make the transition between the blended areas even smoother, use the feather slider to soften the edges of the mask. Soft edges create a gradual, natural-looking transition, giving your video a professional touch. When you're happy with your edits, it's time to finalize your project. Play back your video to preview the final result. This step helps you catch any last-minute adjustments that might be needed before exporting. Once everything looks perfect, head to the export option and save your project. Exporting creates a shareable file, so you can showcase your work wherever you'd like. And there you have it. Now you know exactly how to use the blend feature in CapCut PC to enhance your videos with creative effects. If you have any questions or want to share your own tips for blending in CapCut, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.